Hadian kajingaki jangka Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association MCTODA halor ki babon teliki mat berkentop kajing Dawa baiket kat kum kodor sorkar kabalong kendai tingka 10 kilometer na kasiton kajingket kajing syak penyeng slam ki kali try mulok habat tap ni penhap mar ban boot yak reciprocal transport agreement kat kendai spa kendai ponyo bat kiwei mentalami pertai sa artli ki seng truck na kajela Assam ban yaki Pyrshah yaki karkhana simen ha Meghalaya. Kajing ki ke bapenlong da ka MCTODA kala sedang nado ka arpo nyo tarik risau araja arpusan ha ka bagi try bat ki nong nya trok ki pakhang ya ki trok kit simen bat klinker hasumer mi mentru bypass hapo ka jella ka MCTODA kala yo jeng kershan na ki babon teli ki seng jong ki nong nya kali kenthop ru kat tu kat ni ki seng balang ki badon ya ka mensiem ka basngokya halor ka jing pen ibor ki try simen factory bar ka jing bamburam ya ki try jella. Ha Assam kajing Dawa menta kalawan na ki artli ki seng gi bakentop ya ka kategora Truck Owners Association bat ka Barak Valley Truck Owners Coordination Committee bat ya kane lapen sngo ha ka sitare unai wing araja arpusan ha ka than kachar Assam. Kini ki artli ki seng gi bala bo ya kajing Dawa ka ba amya per na kajing Dawa ka MCTODA lapen sngo ha kajing elang ka bakila ai kerteng kum ka massive protest meeting ka bakila ban halor kajing sya le Shillong jong ki trok ki bana ka than Barak Valley.
Standing here on behalf of all truck owners, I am giving a clear and final warning to the management of all cement factories in Meghalaya. Immediately increase the carriage charges as per government rules and norms. We are not asking for charity. We are not asking for extra money. We are only asking for what is rightfully our according to government regulation. If our demands are not fulfilled immediately, then remember this time. We will fight with full stand until justice is developed to us. But the choice is yours. Either sit with us, talk with us, and resolve this issue peacefully as per government norms, or be ready to face a hard and long fight for us.
Habatin, pej bahagi ki sharp plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka ayan la ai kan diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat la ne ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.